It's your favorite attorney. Court is now in session. Welcome to the court of my public opinion. You already know what goes down. You write me, I bring to the court of my public opinion, and I rule. Don't look at this as legal advice because you won't be suing me if it doesn't work. If you're going through legal issues, you need to get your own attorney. However, they wrote me and they said, let's not stall any longer. What can I do if opposing counsel is sending private information, social security number, date of birth, TDL to the wrong person? This is the second time I received a record of support order with the wrong information on it. The first time wasn't serious considering they put my mother's information as my own and nothing was official yet. I'm assuming they were trying to get their foot in the door. This time the little information they have is correct, besides my married name, but not all information I know they have is there. The other parent's information is wrong. I looked it up trying to do a background check and it belongs to someone else. Now my concern is how often does this happen at that firm and if it's happening to my information as well. How can I go about requesting all documents with my information on them from this firm? Obviously, I'll be declining the document because of errors. They're having me set up to pay the wrong person, which leads me to think of current arrears, if any, considering the fact that I'm receiving any documentation months later. What should I do? Should I contact the person whose information I have and notify them? Do I notify the bar? Is this malpractice? Thanks. Child, let me tell you something. I can't stand people that do this. If the firm has the wrong information in the blanks, it's because you were and you failed to provide it. They got sick of you and they didn't compel it from you, and now they're just trying to get the child support order done correctly. If it's wrong, why don't you fill it out the right way and file it with the court so they can get it off to the right people then? How about that? How about that? And it doesn't even matter how or where you pay your child support to. At the end of the day, the state disbursement unit knows who people are, and the right person's going to get the money if you pay it. So if you're looking for an excuse not to pay your child support because this record of support order had to be instituted because your jacked up ass didn't start paying child support on time, so now they're having to withhold it after the fact and they're having issues getting your proper information because you're a bitch, that's not my problem. It's yours. So at the end of the day, notifying the bar, no need to do that because that's your fault. Why don't you just fill out the proper record of support order with the proper information and file it with the court like you should do before they come against you on an enforcement, because you clearly have not been paying your child support since the court's order if they're moving to do this months after. That means you're not paying, okay? And then trying to figure out who else they did this to. I don't know what other jerks are out there that are giving the mother or the person that's supposed to be getting the child support a hard time with this law firm. That'll answer your question. Don't even try me, sir or ma'am, whoever you are. Why don't you provide your proper social security number, your proper date of birth, and your proper TDL, and they won't be looking for your mama. I can't stand people like this who try to play games. So you're not paying your child support, clearly. You're mad that you're getting closer to get a withholding order against you. And then you got the nerve to throw your mother under the bus. So if it wasn't good enough when they got your mama's information, you didn't have enough balls to step up and say, hey, this is the wrong information. Let me supply you the right information. And then you want to complain about it. They need to file an enforcement against your jacked up ass. That's what I'd be doing. I'd be filing enforcement. And then we'll find out exactly all the information that's necessary. I dare you. I would dare you to contact my firm with it as soon as you did. Next case.
Sitting here behind these walls, think it's time I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm, they got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225 or visit the website at bookerlawfirm.com.